Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today is a sign to bring that men's shirt that you have. So let's do this. I'm a huge fan of one outfit multiple way to style. If you've been following my channel, you know this already. So I'm going to use this shirt to create a top that can be styled in two ways. So it's going to be a wrap top that can be styled as a front tie peplum top, which is also known as Ganni top. So the first thing I just did was just measure the length I want the wrap top to be before the ruffle, and then reduce the length of the sleeve simply because I want the sleeve shorter. So the next thing is just going to be me carving this neckline into a V shape, and then I'm just going to remove the top part of this shirt, that's the collar, and then I'm going to fold it like this and just cut through in a V shape down. So I'm just going to remove some inches from the back. Half an inch or an inch is enough, just to give it a good balance. So this is it, it's ready. The neckline is on point. So next I'm just going to use bias to turn this. I'm going to turn it outside, not inside, not from outside to inside, but from inside out. So this is it. I just do it from the inside, and then I'll aim it towards the outside part. So this is the best way to create this kind of neckline. This is it after turning it towards the outside and stop stitching. So I just decided to add a bit of detailing to the front part. So I'm just going to still use the bias, just fold it like this, and then put it just at the corner beside the sleeve, just to give it extra, niceness and accent. I like to overdo like this. Like when I start a project, I start adding things over on every corner. So I'm just going to take in the sleeve to give it a bit of pop, so that it becomes a puff sleeve. So I just did a running stitch and then draw. So I'll do the same thing that I did for the neckline on sleeve. So this is it, the sleeve is ready. Same process. Now to create a ruffle, we are going to use the remaining piece of fabric. I'm just going to cut this into two. I'll measure it from this side, because if you notice, whenever you are working with a shirt, the front part is a bit longer than the side. So it's best to just measure from the side and then cut in two. And I don't mind the shape to be irregular at the down part, because for me that's just part of character, part of style. It gives the top a unique kind of look that you won't find in the store. So that's why I don't try to make it too perfect in the seam or the down part. So you will notice by the end of this video what I'm talking about. So I'm just going to aim the down and then join it at the side. So after joining, I'm just going to run a stitch, and then draw to give it a gather. So that's what I'm doing now. So this is it after gathering it to the exact size of the shirt. Now I'm just going to place it inside out and then sew it to join the top part of this shirt. So it's ready, look at it. this is almost done. So the next thing, I'm just going to create a strap. I'm just going to use the bias instead of the piece of fabric that is remaining, because I want this blue accent throughout this outfit. So I'm going to show you how to put this to create the different kind of top. First, I measure 3 inch from that gather point on both sides, and then 3 inch from this side from that gather point. So from there, I'm just going to fix in the strap on that 3 inch and where the gather is going to be, and of course inside this shirt. So just watch. So this is it after fixing the straps on the inside, on the sides, and then on the front parts. So this is what actually makes it possible for you to change the styling of this shirt. So this is the first styling. You just tie different and then you're good to go. After this, you can decide to make it into a wrap top like this. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up, share to your friends, and then subscribe if you're new here and you haven't subscribed to my channel yet. Hit the subscribe button now. So this is a final result. Thanks so much for watching, guys. See you on my next video. Bye for now.